As your business grows, something strange happens. The very hustle instincts, quick decisions that got you here start to hold you back. Just think about it, right? Suddenly you're drowning in updates, decisions, fires. Your team keeps coming to you for everything because nothing seems to run without you. That's not a business with a brain. That's a business where you are the brain. And if that's the case, you're not growing, you are stuck. So if you want a business that scales, you need to build one that can actually think for itself. A business owner that I started working with, he once told me, he said, Steve, I feel trapped in my business. When I finally take a few days off, I come back and I have to work twice as hard fixing all the chaos that was created while I was gone. Has that ever happened to you? He wasn't the problem. His team wasn't the problem. The problem was his business didn't have a brain. There was no system, no structure, no shared knowledge. So we started building that brain, one system at a time. And within 90 days, he had implemented some simple processes that focused on the key issues. And then we trained his team to execute without him. And then 6 months later, his managers and his teams were making confident decisions. And within a year, he took a 2-week vacation with 0 fires that he had to deal with when he got back because his business finally knew how to think even without them. So in this video, you're going to learn the steps to build a business brain and how the systems are the key to running and scaling a business that doesn't depend upon your constant direction. See, if you don't build systems now, you're going to stay buried in that daily grind, that chaos. Growth will only increase the pressure that you have, and your business will only rely on you to survive, and that's even more pressure. But when you build a business brain, your team starts to make decisions without waiting for you. You create clarity, consistency, and accountability, and you get your time and, most importantly, your sanity back without sacrificing growth. Most owners don't realize they are actually the bottleneck. They think that no one can do it like I can. So they keep holding back all the knowledge, making all the calls, solving all the problems. But here's the truth. If you're the only brain in the business, you'll always be stuck inside of it. And that's not sustainable. So here's how to start to build your business brain. First, track what you repeat. Anything that you answer more than once, write it down. That's a system waiting to be built. Next, document the process. It doesn't have to be fancy. You could use checklists, templates, or screen recordings. Whatever is easiest for you. That's the important thing. Next, share the thinking, not just the tasks. Teach them how you make decisions so they can do it without asking. And if they have to ask you questions, start adding it to the systems for clarity. Next, assign ownership. Every task needs a name next to it. Who owns it? That's how it improves over time. And step 5, review and refine weekly. Make system improvements part of the rhythm, not just a one-time project. You see, at Action Coach, we define a successful business as a commercial, profitable enterprise that can work without you, the business owner. That means building something that doesn't live in your head, it lives in your team, your tools, and your systems that you create. But remember, you don't have to do this alone. I'm Business Coach Steve, and I help business owners extract what's in their heads and turn it into a business brain that can scale without all the chaos. Because when your business has a brain, it runs better, it grows faster, and it gives you your life back. How does that sound? So if this resonates with you and you want to learn more, I invite you to discover the power of coaching. Go ahead, click on the link and schedule your complimentary 2-week business coaching experience. It starts with a simple discovery call. So go ahead, discover the power of coaching. Your business deserves it, and so do you.